Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. The topic is Rise and Fall of Civilizations. Many civilizations, for example, Qarun, Haman, Pharaoh, have grown rapidly, appearing up unstoppable for hundreds of years, but in every kingdom, empire, state that has ever existed sometimes has eventually changed once great empires are defeated by a smaller rival and others crumble all by themselves. Changing fortunes are one of the clearest signals in the history. The Quran has given many examples and solutions as well. Below are just few of them which can change our world by converting it into heavenly earth, for which people need to join together to save humanity. Corruption in the land is because of people's deeds. Reference Al Quran, chapter 31, verse 41. Disbelievers will have miserable life in the earth. Reference Al Quran, chapter 17, verse 16, 17. Chapter 20, verse 124. Chapter 21, verse 44. Disasters get more and more killer after an informer warner arrives in the town, city, country. Reference Al Quran, chapter 7, verse 94, chapter 30, verse 41. Now, the Quran is a reminder for all of us. Allah never destroys any good nation. Reference Al Quran, chapter 11, verse 116, 117. Allah never changes the condition of a nation till their people, not their leader, changes themselves first. Reference Al Quran, chapter 8, verse 52, verse 53. And if the people of the towns had believed and guarded against evil, we would certainly have opened up for them blessings from the heaven and the earth, but they rejected. So we took over them for what they had earned. Reference Al Quran, chapter 7, verse 96. But why were there not among the generation before you those possessing understanding who should have forbidden the making of mischief in the earth, except a few of those whom only we saved from harm? And those who were unjust went after what they are made to enjoy of plenty, and they were guilty. Reference Al Quran, chapter 11, verse 116. Saving a life is like save whole world. Reference Al Quran, chapter 5, verse 32. Civilization changes. Like Sulman al Islam, he had big kingdom, and in his kingdom, in his companion, one person or team, they had a very good advanced technologies, and which can bring the thought of a coin within blink of eye. Where is those technologies gone? The rise and fall of civilization is happening again and again, and those who follow the commandments of Allah, they succeed until they will be succeed till they follow Quran. The moment the people change, stop following Quran, they defeat it. And this is happening again and again. People deviate from the Quran and then they get defeated. So we must come to the Quran, teach our children to be peaceful, to follow Quran in spirit. Okay, thank you.